Good morning, kindergarten. Welcome to a new week of distance learning. We're going to start out with a fun greeting today because in just a moment you are going to see that on our calendar it is Butterfly Week. So for our greeting this morning, we're going to do a butterfly greeting. And to do the butterfly greeting, you take your two hands and you cross them like this. It's like you make an X with your hands. Then wiggle your thumbs. Take your two thumbs and wrap them around like this. And you're going to wave your fingers and say, good morning. So let's try it again. Let's do a butterfly greeting. Ready? Good morning. And you can try saying good morning in a butterfly greeting to someone at your house today. Let's go ahead and read our morning message because I said this week is a really fun week. So today is May 11, 2020. Dear Lepidopterists. Whoa, that is a huge word. Do you know that Lepidopterists, it's even hard for me to say, are people who study butterflies and moths. And this week, you get to be a person who studies butterflies and moths. Today is Monday. You will be learning all about butterflies this week, and I have some surprise videos each day for you. You will have reading with Mrs. Feldkamp, math with Mrs. Coleman, and art with Mrs. Gruber. And I think I'm right this week about the specialists, but you just never know. Love, Mrs. K. So today, your Seesaw attendance post, what you need to do is read the My Dog poem. And that's going to be in your reading workshop lesson with Mrs. Feldkamp. You're going to practice that poem, and you can either record your voice on Seesaw and send it to me, or you could have somebody videotape you and send it to me of you reading the poem. All right, now it's time for our student shout out of the day. And today it is a girl. And this girl has something really special happening. They're going to be welcoming a new baby to their house anytime now. And this person has a brother that's older than her that goes to our school. And I actually had her brother in my kindergarten class when he was younger. Let's see, what else do we know about this person? Ooh, this person has long hair, and they always style it so cute. This person has, if you remember from our teddy bear day, this person has a Minnesota Wild teddy bear. Can you think about who it is now? It's Reagan. Reagan is our student of the day. So we're going to go ahead and write Reagan's name in here. We're going to add up her vowels and consonants. So her name starts with an R, an E, an A, a G, another A, and an N. All right, let's look at the letters in her name and circle all the vowels. Remember those vowels, A, E, I, O, and U. So I'm going to circle the E here, and the A right here, and another A right here. All right, let's go ahead. That looks like all the vowels. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3. So on the first line, in our number addition sentence, I'm going to write 3. Now I'm going to count the consonants. 1, 2, 3. She also has 3 consonants. So if we add those together, 3 plus 3 equals, let's try it, 3 and 3 more. So I go 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also known as a doubles fact. So she has 6 letters in her name. All right, let's get ready now to give Reagan a big shout out. Remember, you can move around and cheer and say good morning and we miss you and have whatever message you want to send to her. Are you guys ready? All right, let's do our shout out for Reagan. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Reagan. We hope you have a fun day of learning. We're so glad you're in our class. We miss you so much. We hope you have a great day. See you soon. Bye. Wow, I just love those student shout outs. Well, today I have a new poem to teach you. Last week I taught you a song called The Merry, Merry Month of May, but this week I have a new poem for us to learn. It is called Mary, Mary, Quite Contrary. So I'm going to read it to you today, and I want you to listen for the rhyming words in this poem. And today we're just going to circle the rhyming words. And we'll also talk about what some of the words mean in the poem. So listen carefully. See if you can listen to the two words that rhyme. Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Now when I listen to that poem, I hear more than one set of rhyming words. Now if we look at the first line, Mary, Mary, quite contrary. I hear two words that rhyme in that line. I hear the word merry and contrary. Okay, listen to the next one. How does your garden grow? I don't hear any rhyming words together in that line, but listen for the next one. With silver bells and cockle shells. Bells and shells. Now, silver bells and cockle shells are types of flowers. They're very beautiful flowers that smell beautifully. And pretty maids all in a row. Now, if we go back here to this line, how does your garden grow? And pretty maids all in a row. Do you hear two words that rhyme? I hear grow and row. And you can always pause this poem and you could practice it too. It's a really fun one to say, and it makes me think of all the wonderful flowers that will be growing pretty soon in the month of May. All right, we're going to go to the next part, and that's our calendar. And I filled in for the weekend for Saturday and Sunday. And now remember, yesterday was Mother's Day. Did you remember to do something kind for your mom? I hope you did. I know Eleanor gave me lots of hugs, and my husband gave me some time to plant some plants. So it was a really nice day for me, and I hope it was for your mom too. Let's figure out what number we're going to write today. Yesterday was 10. What comes after 10? 11, and that's a teen number, so it's going to start with a 1 again. All right, let's see if we can figure out the pattern. So I'm going to go back here so I have enough space and enough room to read the pattern. We have bird, butterfly, flower. Bird, butterfly, flower. Bird, butterfly, flower would come next. Very nice. All right, let's look at the arrows. I did move them, but let's just make sure they're in the right place. Today is Monday. Yep, that's what I wrote on our morning message. That means yesterday, the day before today was Sunday, and that means tomorrow will be Tuesday. If we look at our week, I see a butterfly on Friday. That means this whole week you get to learn all about butterflies. And like I said, I have some special videos every day this week that you get to watch with a special surprise at the very, very end. On Friday, we'll have another Google Hangout. I haven't decided exactly what we're going to do yet for our Google Hangout, but I know it will be a lot of fun. All right, let's go to the next page. All right, it is our weather today, and today I looked out my window and it was very sunny out. So I'm going to move, I'm going to go up here, take it off of there. I'm going to move one of our purple rectangles to sunny. Oh my goodness, look at this. We've had an equal number of cloudy and sunny days, but so far for our school distance learning days, we haven't had any of these other days. We'll have to keep our eye on it. All right, let's go ahead and do our May tally, and something different is going to happen today. Remember our poem? 1, 2, 3, 4, standing tall. Number 5 goes across them all. All right, I'm going to go ahead and erase the 4. You guys remember how to do a 5? Goes down and around and give it a hat. And that's how we make the number 5. All right, we're going to go to our last part. And today I thought we could try our counting backwards song again today, because that one is a little bit more challenging for you. We're going to count backwards from 25 to 0. And when we get to 0, we're going to say blast off. Now, as we're counting backwards, you could jog around the room. You could do jumping jacks. You could touch your toes. You could do sit-ups or push-ups, but I want to hear you counting. Are you ready, counters? We're going to start from 25 and count backwards to 0. When we get to 0, you could jump up in the air and shout, blast off. Here we go. Ready? 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! Well, I hope your body has gotten some wiggles in and you're ready for distance learning today. I hope you enjoy the butterfly video that you get to watch today. And don't forget to send me your voice recording the poem of the day from Mrs. Feldkamp or a video. I look forward to listening and hearing all of you. Have a great day.